First, let's start by removing the plastic cover. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but the fastener removal tool makes this process much easier. Once you've removed the plastic cover, you'll want to remove the grill. I'm using a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts. After you have removed all 4 bolts, you will want to pull the grill with a little bit of force. Next is the headlights. There are 2 bolts on the front that I'm going to remove using the 10mm socket. Once those are removed, you will want to remove the plastic clip that is located under the wheel well. After you have removed the clip, reach in and push the white tab up. This will release the headlight. You will hear a click when you push up. Once you have released the tab, pull the headlight out and remove the wiring harness by pushing the tab in. Now onto the driver's side. Use a 10mm socket to remove the front 2 bolts. After you finish removing the front 2 bolts, you will want to remove the plastic clip under the wheel well so that you can push the tab up and release the headlight. Once you have done that, pull the headlight out and remove the wiring harness. You are going to do this by pushing down on the clip. You are going to want to start by removing the dust cover. In order to do this, you will want to use an 8mm socket. After removing the dust cover, I'm going to start by removing the low beam. I'll do this by twisting the bulb counterclockwise. You will then unclip the wiring harness from the bulb. After lining up the LED bulb, turn the bulb clockwise. Once the bulb is in place, connect the wiring harness to the LED bulb. Next, you'll remove the high beam by twisting counterclockwise. You will then unclip the wiring harness from the bulb. Before installing the high beams, you will want to adjust the bracket so that the LED bulb fits in correctly. You will do this by pushing down and twisting until it is in the correct position. Now that the LED is positioned correctly, you will line up the LED and twist clockwise. Once the LED is secure, connect the wiring harness to the LED bulb. When the connection is secure, place the rest of the wiring harness and driver inside the lamp so that you can properly attach the dust cover. Once this process is done, you can repeat these steps with the other headlight.